All right, so this is Larry Yeager at Yeager Cycle, and I was going to talk a little bit about the 2024 Harley Davidson Road Glide Street Glides. So as you know, they got a new infotainment system. It's all new dash. So what I want to talk about is the security PIN code personalization and how to punch in the security code in case your battery goes dead, or you lose your fob, or your battery goes dead in your fob. Okay, so those are two very important things. All right, so the first thing we're going to start with is a security code PIN personalization, so you can make it the code you want. So all dealers set it up with a number, a 5-digit number to begin, and then you can put in whatever 5-digit number that you want. Make sure you remember that, okay? The way to do that is you're going to turn your vehicle on. You're going to get the radio to boot up, which everybody knows by now. It takes a few seconds for that to happen. We're going to hit the home button, which is going to bring up the settings. Bring up settings. We're going to go to system. Come on. Once we get in the system, we're going to arrow down and get to system information. Come on. Then we're going to change security PIN. Once you punch that, you can punch in the desired 5-digit PIN you want. Then you just back out of it. So I'm going to go 1 1 1 1 1. PIN change is successful. Hit OK and hit home, and you're back. Okay, now I will go over how to punch in the security PIN if you happen to lose your fob or your battery goes dead in your fob. Okay, so when you turn the vehicle on, it is going to look for the security. It's not there. I'm going to punch in my code, which on this vehicle is 5 1s because I've made it standard on this one, and then it will start. And that's all there is to it on a 2024 Road Glide Street Glide. Then you're good to go. You have to do that every single time that you shut it off and turn it back on if you don't have the fob present. There you go. Hope that helps.